Hello children, today we are discussing what the structure of internal structure of heart, mammalian heart. So this is goat heart, and this heart is given to us by whom? Her name?
Shailaja.
Shailaja. So here today we are observing what mammalian heart or goat heart. So here you are observing what this is what broad part and this is conical part. Conical. This is conical part and this is broad part. So this is anterior end and this is the posterior. Anterior end and posterior end. So in the mammalian heart, 4 chambers are present. 4. So this is auricle. So this is auricle. And this is also auricle. 2 auricles are there. 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Upper chambers are called auricles. Come and say upper chambers are called auricles and lower chambers are called as ventricles. So there you are seeing what heart is divided into 4 chambers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 are upper chambers and these 2 are lower chambers. And this is broad end and this is conical end. And this part is called as what? Ventricles. And this is auricle. This is auricle. This is auricle. This is auricle. And there is also another auricle. 2 auricles are there. Upper chambers are called auricles and ventral chambers are called as ventricles. Upper and ventricle. How many chambers are there in the mammalian heart? 4. Upper chambers are called auricles and lower chambers are called as ventricles. And heart pumps blood to body parts and heart receives blood from body parts. So here today we are discussing what? Internal structure of heart. So here you are observing what? Pipes. So 1, 2, 3. So here what are the tubes are there? Tubes, and this is a big one and this is a big one which is having thick wall, and this is a big one. From left side oxygenated blood is present and right side what blood is present? Deoxygenated blood. This is impure blood and here pure blood is present. So this is what? A left auricle and left ventricle, and this is what? Right auricle and also right ventricle. Right side what blood is present? Deoxygenated blood, impure blood. Left side oxygenated blood. So here this is what? Ventricle, left ventricle. From left ventricle arising a big blood vessel. This is called aorta. This is called aorta. This is called systemic aorta, and which is having thick wall and which carries blood to all body parts. Which carry blood to all body parts. Again we are saying what? This is the right part, and right part is having what? Deoxygenated blood. And here you are seeing what? 1 and 2 watt, 1 and 2 watt tubes, and these tubes are nothing but pulmonary aorta or pulmonary artery which carries blood to lungs for purification, which carries blood to lungs for purification. So which is carrying what blood to the lungs? Deoxygenated blood. There in the lungs the blood is purified. There you are seeing in the chart, lungs are there and 2 lungs are there, and these pulmonary artery divided into 2 chamber and it carries blood to lungs. There in the lungs the blood is purified. So once again from lungs the blood is once again carried back to heart by means of what? Pulmonary veins. Here you see presence of what? Pulmonary veins. So small what? Tubes are there, but here they are not clear. So we discuss what? This is what? Systemic aorta, and also 2 tubes are called as pulmonary artery, and also you are seeing what? Another one. This is a tube and which is called as superior vena cava, and also inferior vena cava also present. And these 2 vena cava, they bring what? Deoxygenated blood from body parts and they open to right auricles. So right auricle. Today we discuss what? The blood vessels which are carrying blood to the heart, the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. How many chambers are there in human heart? 4. What are there? Right auricle, left auricle, right auricle, left auricle, and left ventricle, and also right ventricle. And deoxygenated blood is present in deoxygenated blood is present in right side. Oxygenated blood is present in left side. And this is the big aorta, that is called as systemic aorta. So here already this heart is dissected, and here you are observing what the presence of what walls. So here you see, so these are called walls. So here these are called as walls. They are called as walls. So right side you see the presence of what tricuspid wall. This is called as tricuspid wall. And left side we are observing presence of what bicuspid wall or mitral wall. So in the heart, how many chambers are there? Four. Upper chambers are called as auricles and ventral chambers are called as ventricles. Right side we see the presence of what between the right auricle and left right auricle and right ventricle. What valve is present, that is called as tricuspid valve, which is having what? Three flaps. And between the left auricle and the left ventricle, what present? A valve is present, that is called as bicuspid valve. It is also called as mitral valve. So today, so here you see presence of what? White part. This is nothing but fat. This is nothing but fat layer. So in the same way, our heart is also having what? Four chambers. Four chambers are present in our heart also. Upper chambers are called as, come and say, auricles. Lower chambers are called as ventricles. And we observed what this is called systemic aorta arising from left ventricle. It carries blood to body part. And these two tubes are what? Pulmonary artery, which carries blood to lungs for purification. And this is what? Superior vena cava, which brings blood from head and neck. It open to the right auricle. So we discuss what? Blood vessel which carry blood to the heart and blood vessel which carry blood to the what lungs, and we also observe what? Internal structure of heart. Okay, you come this side, slowly, and you focus. This is what? Systemic aorta. Very good, Prem. And these two blood vessels are called as pulmonary artery, and this is called as superior vena cava. And how many chambers are there in the heart? Four. Upper chambers are called as auricle and lower chambers are called as ventricle. And this is what? Left auricle. This is what as right auricle. This is right ventricle. This is left ventricle. The left ventricle muscle is thick when compared to the right ventricular muscle. So today we observed what? We observed what? The internal structure of mammalian heart. Mammalian heart. So I think you understood well clearly. How many chambers are there in heart? Four chambers. So right side what blood is present? The oxygen blood, that is impure blood. Left side what blood is present? So here heart is conical shape, and on the top broad and lower conical shape. Top broad end and lower conical shape. And heart is enclosed by pericardium. Already the pericardium layers are removed. So pericardium and pericardial fluid protect the heart from what? Shocks. So this is the internal structure of heart. This is brief description about the internal structure of heart. Thank you, children.